It is obviously important for a remote pilot to understand what input controls what action. Remote controls can be programmed into different modes. The most common mode is Mode 2. In Mode 2, when the left stick is raised, the aircraft will climb. When the left stick is lowered, the aircraft will descend. When the left stick is moved to the left, the aircraft will yaw or change its heading to the left. When the left stick is moved to the right, the aircraft will yaw to the right. In Mode 2, the right stick moves the aircraft around. Moving the right stick forward pitches the aircraft forward. Moving the right stick back pitches the aircraft back. Moving the right stick to the left rolls the aircraft to the left, and moving the right stick to the right rolls the aircraft to the right. Another common mode is Mode 1. In Mode 1, power swaps from being on the left to being on the right. This means a pitch must move from the right across to the left. In Mode 1, moving the left stick forward pitches the aircraft forward. Moving the left stick back pitches the aircraft back. When the right stick is raised, the aircraft will climb. When the right stick is lowered, the aircraft will descend. Moving the left stick left and right yaws the aircraft left and right, and moving the right stick left and right rolls the aircraft left and right. In fact, most remotes can be programmed for an input to mean whatever action is desired. If you wanted left and right to mean up and down, we have the technology.